Hi, this is Bharat, and today we are going to talk about one of the underused keywords in C# and its uses. Yield provides stateful iteration over IEnumerable collection without using any temporary variable. Context is maintained throughout the iteration. In other words, when using yield return statement inside an iterator, you need not create a temporary collection to store data before it is returned. We will see a quick demo to make it more clear. Let me create a new C# console application and call this yield demo. Let us look at it from a microscopic perspective. There are various applications of yield, but let us see what the statement actually does to the compiler and how the compiler behaves when it sees a yield return statement. Let us keep it short. So I'm going to have a simple for each statement. Okay, I am going to iterate through the numbers which is retrieved from this numbers function and console out that. Let us go ahead and implement this numbers function. And obviously it will need the collections generic. And let's have a couple of yield return statement here. Let us execute this and see the result first. So if you notice all the 4 numbers getting printed here, that's fine. Let us hit the breakpoint and see how it is actually getting executed. I am doing a F11 and it goes into the numbers function and it returns the value 1. Then the caller starts executing with that particular value itself. So if you notice, there are still few more statements available in the numbers function, but the execution is now right back onto the main method, and it is continuing executing with that first returned value, that is 1. And you can see that in the console, that the value 1 is printed in the console, followed by it goes back to the numbers function and gets the second return, which is number 2, and that gets printed. So that is the beauty of yield return keyword. So we usually return this data in one shot. For example, let's have a variable x. And let's have the same numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and return this x. So it also produces the same result, but once the list is returned, the control never goes back to the numbers function. So why do we need it? So one of the use case can be it returns a stream of data as and when it is available, so the caller need not have to wait till the entire list is retrieved from the source. So whether you do a database call or retrieve data from a stream, you need not have to compile all this data together and return it through one return statement. You can do a yield return as and when the data is available, so the main method can start processing it, digesting it, and present it to the user or save it to the database or do whatever processing it has to do. You can make use of this keyword wherever possible. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.